How to create Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows 11. Turning on the mobile hotspot Part 1. Click the Start menu. Click the Settings icon. Click Network and Internet. Click to enable the toggle switch next to Mobile Hotspot. Click the arrow key. Click Properties. This will show the network name and password, which you will need to connect to the network. Configure the Mobile Hotspot Part 2. Click the Start menu. Click the Settings icon. Click Network and Internet. Click the box that says Mobile Hotspot. Click Properties to expand the network information. Click Edit. Enter network name and password and click Save. Your PC's Wi-Fi card likely does not have the same power output as a router does, so the signal will not travel as far. Thanks for watching.